Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Connecting your wireless printer after changing your router can seem like a daunting task, but it's a common issue with straightforward solutions because your printer is essentially looking for a network that no longer exists with the same name or password. When you replace your router, you're creating an entirely new Wi-Fi network. Even if you try to use the same SSID, network name, and password, your printer, like any other wireless device, remembers the old network credentials and won't automatically jump to the new one. The first crucial step is to gather your new router's Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and its corresponding password. Make sure these are readily available, as you'll need them for the connection process. One of the simplest methods, if both your printer and new router support it, is using Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS. Start by ensuring your printer is powered on. Then, locate the WPS button on your new router. It's often labeled with the WPS logo or WPS text. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until its indicator light starts flashing, signifying it's actively searching for a device. Immediately after, find the WPS button on your printer. Sometimes it's a physical button. Other times it's an option within the printer's menu accessed via its control panel. Press or select the WPS option on your printer. The printer and router will then attempt to establish a secure connection automatically. This process usually takes a minute or two. Once connected, your printer's Wi-Fi indicator light should become solid, confirming it's successfully joined the new network. If WPS isn't an option or doesn't work, the most common and reliable method is to use your printer's built-in control panel. Power on your printer and navigate through its menu to find the Setup, Network Settings, or Wireless Settings option. Within this menu, look for Wi-Fi Setup Wizard, Wireless Setup, or Network Connection. The printer will then scan for available Wi-Fi networks in its vicinity. Select your new router's SSID from the list. Be very careful to choose the correct one, especially if there are multiple networks nearby. After selecting your network, the printer will prompt you to enter the Wi-Fi password, also known as the WPA2 key. This can be a bit tedious using the printer's small screen and arrow buttons, so double-check each character for accuracy, paying close attention to capitalization and special characters, as passwords are case-sensitive. Once the password is entered, confirm the settings, and the printer will attempt to connect. A successful connection will typically be indicated by a solid Wi-Fi light or a confirmation message on the printer's display. Should you encounter persistent issues with the previous methods, consider using the printer's original setup software or a dedicated mobile app provided by the manufacturer. Many printer brands like HP, Epson, Canon, and Brother offer apps that can guide you through the network setup process. You might need to temporarily connect your printer to your computer via a USB cable during the setup, or the app might utilize Bluetooth for initial pairing. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will usually involve selecting your new Wi-Fi network and entering the password through a more user-friendly interface. Sometimes, reinstalling the printer drivers on your computer after the network change can also resolve connectivity problems, ensuring your computer recognizes the printer on its new network address. For general troubleshooting, always start by restarting your new router, your printer, and your computer. This simple step often resolves minor glitches. Ensure your printer is within a reasonable range of your new router. Physical obstructions or distance can weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Double-check that you've entered the Wi-Fi password correctly. This is a frequent culprit. If all else fails, consult your printer's manual or the manufacturer's support website for specific instructions tailored to your model. Firmware updates for your printer can sometimes improve network compatibility and stability, so check if any are available. Finally, temporarily disabling your computer's firewall during the setup process might help if it's blocking communication, but remember to re-enable it afterward for security. Reconnecting your wireless printer doesn't have to be a headache. With these steps, you should be back to printing in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.